This is the Hello World Podcast.
There's one other component that's changed. Very, very briefly, we've talked about when we worked in an office and we were salespeople, we had the ability to talk to other salespeople. You had the ability to sit down as you passed each other in a corridor and said, look, I've got this account, give me some advice. That's now gone away, right?
Yes.
But we're, as human beings, we're social animals. And so my other, last bit of advice to any salesperson or sales manager would be, get that back. Who are your mentors? Who are your colleagues? Get a coach, right? Not a person necessarily who's going to train you, but get a coach that you can talk to for an hour a week or half an hour a week to give you feedback. Because there's this salespeople believe they can do it on their own. They cannot, like anybody else. I see HR doing that in companies here in the Philippines. They look to the CEO for guidance. Sometimes he doesn't know, and he needs someone to talk to. Well, we also need people to talk to, and so we have to use the same technology to reach out to our colleagues and peers and get feedback, because we're in this, the famous saying of no man is an island. It's now more true than ever before, so that would be the other thing I'd say. Talk to colleagues, even pay for people to give you advice where they have no emotions vested in you. Because it gives you, even if you don't take the advice, you can go back and think about it and digest it. They may have a point of view that helps you win that sale. I think you hit on something very, very important, and that is that, just go to LinkedIn. No disrespect to everybody, but since March, the proliferation of experts has been phenomenal. Experts are coming out of the woodwork. I didn't know that there were so many experts on so many different subjects. Find the ones who are the real experts. Find the ones who are the real mentors, the people who have got that knowledge, and develop relationships with them. Hire them, invest in them so that they can help. Even after 40 years, there are people I call every day, and they'll say something, and I'll think to myself, my God, why didn't I think of that? Right? And sometimes it's the obvious. So yes, it's, find the ones that are the true mentors, the true experts, develop those relationships. And there's nothing wrong with asking for help. And in the same way, they'll come to you one day. So yes, salespeople are competitive, but in the long run, helping each other is the only way to go. You can't do it alone, especially now. It's super difficult.
Hi, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Consultant of LJMB, or Learning Just Made Better. Thanks for watching my video. To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to others.